I think we still have a lot of this cloth left. Yes, and as you all know, I like to join doll pageants. So we're going to try to make a simple yet elegant doll gown using this cloth. So once again, we're going to have our DIY doll gown making for our FR dolls. So here we are finished with our blue gown, and I'm very happy on the result. Yes, we were able to give her only one sleeve, and this will be a two-piece gown, and I'm very happy because somehow we were able to manage sewing with this kind of cloth. I have to frankly tell you it's really difficult. Yes, and to think that there is no lining because I really had difficulty with it. Nonetheless, it was fun. Yes, it was fun to make this gown, and it will really look nice. Okay, once we uh, uh, let her pose for a photo shoot. Yes. So anyway, thank you so much. Fellow adventures, hanggang sa muli. Kita-kits na lang. Paalam! Bye!
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with